could possibly be involved in this case, who's tied to those drug dealers, like money laundering, covers up. It's like a crazy, crazy web which we can't fully get into.
Cool. Oh, you're a shit.
Apparently Gianna went home.
Oh, did she?
Yeah. I don't know why yet, but
Okay.
I don't know which situation.
Of her own accord, or was she sent home? Jesus!
Okay.
Holy fuck, dude.
Fucking going.
He also like wormed between me and that truck. Fuck you, man.
Whoa! Jesus fuck, man.
What are you fucking doing?
Oh my goodness, dude.
Like you're sitting there putting your hand out. Like, no. Dude, there's all the space in the world. Just pull over somewhere. Don't stop in the middle of the damn road. Pull over. Still road, man. What are you doing? Jesus. What are you doing? Hey.
I was consumed with guilt and I toyed Emma around. I've settled down emotionally and I accept that the affair is happening and that I'm a cheater. My question is, what sort of advice does one need to adhere to with something emotional like this? Other than don't get emotionally involved, since at this point I already am. I've told her that I'm not going to leave my wife many times, in fact, and she...
Jesus, take your time. Oh my god, guys. Get out of the way! Holy shit. Is this an accident or is this a trying not to have an accident?
Wow. This is crazy.
It looks like trying not to have an accident.
Wow.
Wanna go ahead? Oh, she's stuck. Okay.
Oh, girl, good luck with that.
Yeah.
Sorry, girlie.
Yes, right?
These police.
Okay. Okay, that's sick.
She passed me notes and their lines with glue. What? What the hell? There were like pedestrians on the sidewalk.
She said you don't this heart, boy, it's already broke.
Hey, you left work. My favorite part was when it was. Fuck you, man. Good.
Shining like a holographic Pikachu. They said I'd never see it through, but now they got the face in their palm like playing peekaboo. Unbelievable, inconceivable. Hey now, I can see it too. What they feeding you? Brainwash. As an adolescent who bad at lessons and not accepting another seat loser. Alrighty, guys, I got the message. A little passive, but aggressive.
Out of gas.
Football now, and normally I'd be excited about it because my team is in first place. If you take anything away from my post, don't put your friends over the person.
Where are you
love.
going?
Learn to stand up.
What
to
is
your
that?
friends. I learned my lesson after all this. Opie, you had a wife who shares the same hobby.
Are you turning? Cool, dude. That's alright, whatever. Don't stop for pedestrians at a green light, idiot.
Love. He needs love.
Not talent-wise, but a size matchup with Marcus Jones, especially a guy like Quentin Johnson. Keenan Allen's a pretty big dude, as far as I can remember, too. So you do have some advantages there. But advantage to the Chargers in the wide receiver room, tight end room. It's a consensus that the Patriots have the advantage there on Henry Austin Hooper, and we agree on that.
Oh shit.